Hello and welcome to MJ Spot. Today, we're going to be talking about a revolutionary AI language model that has taken the world by storm: ChatGPT. This incredible technology has the potential to transform the way we interact with machines, making it possible to communicate with them in a more natural and intuitive way. ChatGPT is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture and has been trained by OpenAI using advanced machine learning algorithms. This enables it to analyze text data, generate automated responses, and even create new content. The technology has a wide range of applications, including chatbots, language translation, content creation, and much more. What makes ChatGPT truly remarkable is its ability to understand context and generate personalized responses. It can analyze the tone and sentiment of a conversation, making it possible to respond in a way that feels natural and human-like. This is a significant step forward in natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. As we explore the capabilities and applications of ChatGPT in this video, we hope to give you a better understanding of the potential of this amazing technology. So, whether you're an AI enthusiast or simply curious about the future of technology, be sure to stick around and learn more about ChatGPT. And don't forget to subscribe to MJ Spot for more exciting content.